Hey boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to create your bite slide so that you can publish your fictional narrative. When you log on to your bite slide, it's right here, you'll see that you're logged on, okay? It's gonna show you your dashboard right here. Remember that your username is your name plus 3A, and your password is 3A Rockstars. So you'll see that you have a project that I invited you to with 3A Rockstars. So you're going to look at your project and you're going to start a new project like this. Okay? You'll see the one that I've already started if you want to see an example, but I'm going to show you how to do one from scratch. Okay? So you click Add a Slide Book and it will load. And you could pick what kind of style you want. I'm going to go with none just to keep it simple, but if you want to explore this a little bit, you can. So create none, and it's going to create your side book. And there it is, just like a blank sheet of paper. And there's a variety of stuff that you can do. Okay, and if you're making your first slide book, it will show you where those things are, the things that you can do. So kind of click through that and it will say, oh, here's where you upload your pictures, here's extra stuff you can do, whatever. But I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay, so the first thing I wanna know is how can I add pictures to my slide, because I want this to be a picture book to show all the cool things I've created. You can either upload your own photos. So if you want to draw a picture and take a picture of it and save it and then upload that, or if you want to find a specific picture on Google, save that to your desktop and then upload it to your slide book, you can do that. So I did that with this picture. And I'm going to make my first page, which is going to be my title page. Okay, so all I need to do, so this is in your bites, and I've uploaded my photo. So I click here, I went to desktop where I saved it, I went to the file that I saved, and then I pressed open, and then you can see that it's uploading. It takes a few minutes, so if you're doing this, be patient. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the one I already uploaded. All I need to do is click on it, so there's a pink box around it, and drag it over to my page. And there it is, okay? I can do a bunch of stuff with it. These solid orange dots make it bigger and smaller, but keep the picture the same. If I use these squares, it will shrink my picture and squish it all up. So be careful when you're using those ones, okay? So now that I have that, now I'm ready for my title. So I'm gonna go over here to the text side, and I'm gonna click text. And then I'm gonna click in the box where I want it, okay? I'm gonna make it nice and long here. Oops. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that, okay. But now I'm gonna type Dragons Adventure, which is the name of my story, okay? If I want to change that text, I can highlight it, and now I can play with the font. I like this one, Luckiest Guy, so I'm going to change that font. I can also change the color, so let me make it green, okay? And then there it is, okay? Now I can move it around. So once I've finished typing, I can click, and I can move it this way, okay, put it wherever I want. Okay, I can, when these arrows are all pointed, I can move the text anywhere I want, okay? I can also make it bigger by resizing it this way, just the same way I did on the picture, okay? So there we go, now I have a cover page. Now, if I want to add a second page to my book so I could start typing my story, I'm gonna click Add Slide. And there you see another blank page, okay? I'm gonna show you extras just as if you change your mind and want to do a theme, okay, so you can explore that, it's up to you. And then the only other thing, we're not going to use Flickr or YouTube, but we can use Google. So let's just say I want to add a different picture, okay? I can just Google the image that I'm looking for, so let's just say dragon. And here's a whole bunch of pictures that they've given me with dragons in it, okay? So just the same way I did with the pictures I uploaded, I can drag that over and it will go on my picture. Okay, I can do whatever I want here. Maybe I'll put that there, and then I want to add text. Click on text, drag that over, and that's all you need to know.